Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to start up the Xiaomi Google TV settings, or how properly you just need to set up your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So this is the Xiaomi Google TV first setup. So now you just need to enable this by using the remote. So now you just need to select the language first. So I'm just going to select it as English India, and now you just need to select the region and click on the region. Then you just need to enter your that you have set up the Google TV or set up the basic TV. So you can see it's changing. I'm just going to set up the Google TV and just click on this set up the Google TV. After clicking this set up the Google Home, otherwise set up on your TV instead. So click on this setup TV. Now you just need to connect to your Wi-Fi network, any other network. I'm just going to connect my Wi-Fi now. Then you just need to enter your email ID here. So now after it, you just need to accept everything and just need to click on the sign up or no thanks option. So just go with the no thanks option here. Just continue with the Google Assistant. So search across, you can just allow it or no thanks, click on this. And after setting your home, or just going to set as home, and I'm just going to show it as living home. So now you can just confirm your any subscription, or click on the subscription, confirm it. You can just select the apps and you can just confirm it. So now just click on next thing and click on the agree option again. So now it have some updating, it might take some time. So after enabling this, you just need to select search or all apps on the TV apps and allow and or no thanks. You can select your own decision. So after it will be open it the TV. It will be loading for a few minutes. So now your apps and the home screen has been set up and has been loaded. So you can have the multiple account on your TV or certain feature. So you can just choose it or go to the Google TV. So now here you can just manage all your Google TV apps and also the settings. And then this is the patch fall setting. You can just use the patch fall or the Google home screen setting. This is a patch fall setting and this is a Google home setting. You can just choose the patch fall, or you can just choose the Google home setting by using tapping on the two buttons in the right and left. So this is the way that you can just easily set up your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a beautiful and wonderful day.